This is $4.98 per pound for beef brisket and Sam's Club. The Sam's Club is owned by Walmart. Walmart, founded 1700 Sam's Club in Midwest City, Oklahoma. And the Walmart was founded in 1962 by Sam Walton and Dean Fisher, Oklahoma. Give friends and family. It can be anything, just text me, okay? She's starting high Johnson Coke, Sprite, and remember the Dr. Pepper. And 36 packs of baked bread and sodas will be sent to buy the groceries without a membership. We cannot buy groceries without a membership. We can't. Until we sign a membership or did a shop at Sam's Club or Costco, you know. If we want to buy groceries, we must have a membership or either a $100 shop at Sam's Club and Costco too.